Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to add Viewport. Now if you want to add Viewports like in this model tab, you can go to view and then you can choose this option Viewport configuration. So in here as default to be set into the single title, you can use two verticals, you can click, or will be set into two vertical, you can resize by clicking at the center point. Or you can change again the viewport into 3 above. Okay, this is for the 3 above. And then another you can set like into 4 equal. This for the 4 equal. You also can edit by clicking at this point. So another option, if you want to add a viewport like in the sheet tab, you can click and we have this default viewport. You can use mv command, type mv and press enter. You can click like from this point to here to add a viewport. And that's it for a basic REST commander tutorial how to add viewport. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.